Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick update on Bitcoin. So what I have here is the chart for Bitcoin versus US dollar, 4-hour candles from Bitfinex. Honestly, there's not a lot going on. It's getting a little bit boring with Bitcoin going sideways, but I'll just do a little review because many people is requesting. So the general picture is we have lower highs, lower lows in the 4-hour chart, which is this one. We had only one higher high, which is this last one here, and one higher low, which is this one here. But now we are failing to make more higher highs. As you can see, we had the first lower high again. I have a lot of lines here. Okay, I'll tell you what these lines are. So the line up here, the red line, is major resistance. We had a lot of rejection so many times on this line, as you can see, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and 6, and it pushed the prices all the way down. So this is a major resistance at the level of 4,388, more or less. So if this line is broken on the upside, and the price can actually stay above it, not just break it and come back down. If this line is broken, then I would become bullish on Bitcoin, but we are far from there. Okay, so this downtrend resistance, it's obviously just a downtrend resistance that was created from the lower lows when we started to crash. So that's another resistance we would have to cross. Then I have these two red uptrending lines here, which represent a rising wedge. It's called rising wedge when we are doing higher highs and higher lows, but it's getting tight at the end. That signals a bearish movement possible, and this uptrending wedge has been broken on the downside. So then these 3 green lines here are my targets. I draw these lines yesterday. I didn't make a video on this, but I draw these 3 lines yesterday, and the target number 1 was already hit, and it bounced, so it was a valid target. My next target on the way down, it's 3,730, more or less, and my third target on the way down is 3,600. So that's where I think the price is going to go. I got these targets using the Thomas DeMark trend lines. I made a tutorial on that around 1 or 2 weeks ago. You can find it on my channel. The title is Thomas DeMark trend lines tutorial, and that's how I got my targets. The target number 1 and number 2, and the target number 3, it's from, we're forming here, as you can see, we made a lower high, but same level lows. So this is forming a bearish triangle. If this triangle completes and breaks on the way, on the downside, the target would be 3,600. As you can see, the length of the triangle here would be, if the triangle breaks on the downside, the target is exactly 3,600. So if this triangle completes and breaks down, that would be my target. So that's my targets on the downside. I don't know how long it's going to take. Maybe they won't even be hit. I'm not sure. I'm not shorting. I'm not using these targets for shorting. Personally, I'm not doing anything with Bitcoin. I'm not trading it at all. I'm staying away of this. But I just put the targets here for my own, to try and predict what's going to happen. But it's not convincing enough for me to place a trade. I'm not trading it at all. Because, yeah, as I said, it's not convincing enough to me. It's like not doing much. We don't see a lot of volume. Like, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I don't have a lot of data here. Enough for me to place a trade, long or short or anything. I'm not trading this. The overall, it's more bearish than bullish, but it's still not convincing enough for me to open a trade. So I'm not trading it, but yeah, that's all that I can read for Bitcoin. And I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.